Hey sir, this is my report about the steps to take in case the ship is damaged. Step 1. Mobilize. Step 1. Alert and mobilize. Sound the general emergency alarm to instantly notify the entire crew and passengers. Inform the master and the engine room immediately if they are not already aware. Step 2. Close all watertight doors, fire doors, and ventilation to prevent external water ingress. Shut structural valves in the piping system that are not actively being used for emergency pumping operations. 3. Assess the damage. Conduct a visual checks of the affected area to safely inspect the physical extent of damage. 4. Magitate and counteract. Start bilge and ballast pumps to remove water if the flooding is lower than the total pump. 5. Communicate and report. Determine the exact position of the vessel using GPS and mark it clearly on the chart. Exhibit warning signals including days, ground lights, or sound signals to alert the marine traffic. And that's all. Thank you.